Hey guys, welcome to another video. So this week we have another short video in which I show you a fault that a learner driver made on one of the mock tests that I film and upload weekly. And then I'm going to demonstrate to you exactly what the learner should have done. So this fault, it's on a steep uphill junction, a junction that those of you who watch the mock test regularly will be familiar with. It's quite a challenging one, and here I'm going to show you the fault. And there was two serious faults the learner made, one on the actual junction and one on the new road after the junction, which is also a steep uphill road. So yeah, check this out.
Turn left.
Now this is a steep uphill junction. The key is to have the correct speed and select the correct gear on approach, but she approaches too fast. Susie should have selected first gear on approach and used clutch control. And when moving off, she rushes off the clutch pedal and stalls. She doesn't realise that the car is off and in the end asks for help.
Alright, I need some help here.
Okay, you need to restart the car.
Restart the car?
Yeah.
Did I stall?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, clutch pedal fully down, yeah?
Yep.
And press the brake, restart the car, turn the key. That's it.
Okay.
Now the car's on. You still need my help?
There we are.
When building up speed uphill, you should change gears later. Susie selects second gear too early, so struggles to build up speed and stalls again. Again, I had to help her out.
Right, do I stall again?
Select gear one for me.
Gear one, yeah?
Yeah, the car's on this time, yeah? Okay,
Yep.
and move off when you're ready. Okay, press the brake. Restart the car. Now the car's stalled. Okay, don't rush off the clutch. Bring the clutch up to the biting point.
Okay.
Hold it there. Okay, I got it for you now.
Okay.
So restart the car for me. Take your feet off the pedals.
Okay.
Just accelerate for me gently, please.
Okay.
Bit more. Bit more acceleration. Bit more. Keep going. Bit more gas first. A bit more gas. Now change gear. That's it. All yours again. So those were the faults. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to deal with it. One of the key things is, before you start dealing with the uphill junctions like this, you've got to have a good understanding and be pretty decent with clutch control. And clutch control is something that I feel a lot of learners do struggle with, and many instructors do miss out as well. So if you want to learn more about clutch control, please check out one of the videos on the channel. It's where I teach Brandon, my nephew, and Taz, my niece. And yeah, we do a few lessons on hills, so please check them out. So okay, I'm at the same junction now, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to deal with it. Let's go. Okay, now I'm coming up to the same junction and the key is in the approach. So I'm turning left, centre mirror, left mirror, signalling left, and now it's a timing of the gear. So I'm off the gas, clutch down, selecting gear one now, and just before the car stops, bringing the clutch up to the biting point, using a bit of acceleration. Now this is a clutch control which many of you struggle with. So it is clear to go, but say if there were more cars coming, it is okay to use a handbrake. And now it's safe to go, so I'm going to accelerate. I'm not going to rush off the clutch. I'm going to keep it about there, bring it up slowly. And now this is another uphill road, and the key here is not to change gear too early. So I'm still in first gear. I'm going to build up to just about 3,500 revs and then second gear. This will give me enough speed to get up the hill. So the mistake that the learner made on this hill was obviously changing the gear too soon. So that's it guys, that's how to deal with that junction. Hopefully this video helped you. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.